Alright, in the last video we looked at static electricity, which is one of the two main types of electricity. Static electricity. And we learnt that static electricity is a build-up of positive and negative charge in one place. Well, in separate places, but the charge isn't moving. So it's a build-up of charge, and the charge is not moving. That's the main point. But in the other type of electricity that we're going to learn about now, this is called circuit electricity, or current electricity. So circuit electricity is, instead of the charge being held in one place, it's where the charge flows around in a circuit. So it's a flow of charge in a circuit. But then the next question is, what actually is a circuit? So we'll look at all the features that circuits need to have by looking at this diagram down here. So here is a really simple circuit, which you could easily make at home, or just from going to the hardware shop. You can buy a battery and some wires and a little globe. So every circuit, it needs an energy source, firstly, which is the battery in this case. But you can use other things as energy sources. You could use a solar panel, you could use a generator that's powered by petrol, anything that can create electrical energy. You also need wires to connect the whole circuit together. And once a circuit is completely connected, we call it closed, because there are no gaps. It's a continuous loop. And then we also need something else, which is called the load. And in this case, the load is the light. And a load is anything that takes energy from the energy source and it converts it to another type of energy. Remember, in our energy topic, we learned that energy can be transformed into different types of energy. So the load, it can be a light, or it can be a heater, or a motor, anything that's powered by electricity, as long as it converts the electrical energy to another type of energy. To another type. So as long as we have all these three features, an energy source, wires, and a load, that's what we need for a circuit. So overall, if we want to define what a circuit is, we can say it's a closed or connected pathway, completely connected, a closed connected pathway for electrons to travel through.